Right or left? Oh. My name is Erlinda Emmanuel.
My name is Leopoldo G. Manuel.
I am 19 when we get married.
1950.
You count. I don't know the
54.
69 years.
Ah,
69.
I 69 years.
69 years. When
When-
we are
When we are in grade 5,
grade 5.
we meet each other because we are classmates.
Very happy.
Not yet, because we are not yet, you did not yet correct me.
No, that is, we are classmates.
We are
Already
classmates.
like, yeah.
We are
But-
still young.
So they were friends.
No.
Friend. Awan, ang thinking na we are just looking each other because we did not
Then
get,
review our...
we did not get, he did not get court me.
No, we are still young.
Courting. When I was in Agigikan, and Papang is in the, manipulate the machine of Uncle Putong, first year high school.
Oh.
But he did not yet tell me that he loved me.
Oh.
The parents of Papang and the Lola came to the house of Uncle Putong and tell that we will have a relationship and love each other and we would like to have a wedding.
I told him that I want to marry you.
Kasang pinaglibagan pindi tatang mo, pindi nanang mo.
Ang kanyam.
So,
Ha?
Kanyam.
kanya. Iso ka ron.
Bagam.
Siya, idi grade 5 kami, nagkita kami in tawan ti elementary di gagigika, I want intermediate gagigikan. Nagkita kami, kasla kami lang tagayim lata, hawan mo pa lang ata ubing kami pa eh.
Classmate ka mga
Mm.
pare.
Dahil mo nga pinagkita mi. Ilocano,
Ay, bilang ko nga, classmate ko lang. I want the feeling in love.
awan pa ata kwa sala na develop di pinaginayat mi idi napanak gendang kulputo ngayon.
Hindi nag-graduate kami, hindi nagbasa kami ti 5 and 6, nag-classmate kami. Hindi nag-graduate kami, nabayag, makatawin hang kami nagkita.
Dua taon.
Ay, dua.
Ta nagbasa ako, nagbasa ka
Hindi,
ngayon.
nalpas si dua katawin, nagkita kami, ag-operate ak dyan yung rice mill ni Uncle Putong. Kayso na mait, agyam mait nga pag agbasa. Hindi, kinita kami, iti nalpas ti dong nga tawid, adda, rik namin nga agayat.
Riknak naman.
Ay, rik na nga agayat, kanya na. Agking-kinday ko, kinday-kindayak, miso-miso mait. Ikan, kumbaga tiyat ko, nakseptar na. Oh. Imbaga kanya na nga. Ay ayateng kang gana ti dagpalbig ko.
No kanyak nga may isa, nagtinulong kami ti Ayman Nurigat. No nyaman ti trabaho nga trabaho mi pagtintinulungan mi.
Ay. Inikad na kami, nanang mi iti nagpunam mi. Inikad na kami iti 50 pesos niyang kel
Doming.
Inikad na kami mait, dahil di nanang kitatang ti 50.
Inikan na kami ng Doming.
Yeah.
W na. Inikan na kami ng Doming kunong paya.
When nang kaldoming tani dahil di nanang.
Sa 50.
Sa nagbangkero at nagnegosyo kami, nag-garage kami tiyenda di Makel. Amin nga pagsapulan, agipon, kitching fish, agala ti ludong, agala ti kabibi, agbunag ti bato, arami kami irik, bunagi amin, hindi kaya ta da motor mimet nga may isa. Dinatang ko laing iti 700. Di Makel iti negosyo mi, damit anak min nga inemen di Makel da nagad-adal da napangamigi lalo iso ti damo mi nga nag sapulan iti kwarta.
Nagbangkero na.
When agbangkero na galak ti kabibi.
Politiko, hantang na nakipulpuhin.
Kami nga nag-akem di
Politiko.
politics. So, nagsapsapol kamo laing iti panagbiag mi. At damit inem nga may anak min. Nagpinagbasbasa mi iso iso at duwa nga mistra nga anak mi.
Sekretarya.
May isang sekretarya.
Sekretarya ni Lulon ang mga nga nagtuloy.
At damit duwa nga anak mi nga nga nakabasa ta at diferensyada.
Hindi, timuna nga bisong ni Lakay. Maragsakan na unay. Tana, nagkalpasan di pinangawat mi iti Sacramento. Ison di pinagbisong miso timuna nga bisong nakanyak. Kat siraragsakat nga nangadmitir kinday di nga bisong tadaya nga bisong aging ganat tong palbiag. Kat han mo nga malipatan dayay. Dayay dayay
Ay.
hindi pinagbabae na pimanawak.
Ana, Budi. Budi.
Ama.
Pimanawak napanak di balay da manang ko. Nung gabot ang mapanunod ko nga dagi di anak ko. Di anak ko kakaasida. Iso nga nagsublinak mitlaeng kanyada. Nagsublinak mitlaeng ang makita ko na inay kanyana. Padagiyat anak ko nga rod iti kong panunuted. Pinakawang ko dagiyang anak ko tigapuna. Pinakawang ko dagiyang anak ko tanawang ko matanak ko talagang panawa ko tanakaro.
Kami lang nga nagkinawatan. Istorya laing nga kami nagkinawatan.
It's just, he said, misunderstanding.
Ano siya nga may isa, nagtintinulong kami iti trabaho. Kat nga da, mampay, pagkamalyan ti may isa, dispensarium tapno, hang kayo nga, agapa nga kanayon. Bay amon, dagyan na aramid ka, no, daman na sa una, bay amon, bay akon. Tapno kasta, hang kami nga, agsinakit mamantinirmi, dajay nga, ayat.
Keno adda kamali ti may sa nga aramid hamo nga piduainen no madi
Kanyak nga may isa.
kanya nga may sa nano haddahan na kayaten nga aramid ko hanggo nga piduainen dadyo dakes nga aramid iso ti hanggo nga piduay ngayon napintas ka na yun Dagi ka. Panagayat buklat ta kanya na may nga awan patingga na. Ay ete.
Yapay.
No tayo.
Tinulong ti trabaho.
At tinulong kami iti trabaho.
Idi agar-arem pa ilaeng ni Lakay. Napanak naglaba yung waig. Kaya Kaya't nak nga bisungan, binisong nak ang damit pag malmalom ni tilupot, kinamat ko tagdamang jawaig. Kinamat ko tagdamang nga jawaig. Kasi dajay.
Dahil di damo nga parang kahit dami. Ti hanggang malipatan nga damo. Nga aramid. The first night that we together.
Yes.
Tama. Kaya na.
Why not?
Di mabalin ko nga i-advise kanya da, pag sinisingput da, kung nung pay anya kinabalasang da, no balasang kapaylain, hangka kumanga pasagsagid. Tapno kasta, tapno may mayat, ito nung agtipon kayon, mayat dajay, nasamit dajay ayat nga, may pael kanya, yung no, pasagid-sagid kan, awan hanakan tunay kaya nila kayo mon.
If you have a boyfriend, if you want to, if he want to touch you,
No, not yet.
you say no, until you will get married, so that it will, your love is very sweet. It will not fade.
Aw.
Because it is my
She.
only one,
In kasar ko na lang.
and I marry him once
Yeah.
only. Love one and die for it.
Because I like Papang because he is guwapo. and because the custom yan eh. Customary
Mhm.
is good.
Mhm.
He is smart in doing everything. Whenever I say, go this one, go, he's going out. And
I'm not lazy,
do all the
Oh.
things I'm...
Hard worker.
hard worker.
Yes.
And it is a guapa also.
That's late now.
Until now.
That's late.
Because I promise to him that
To him.
I
to him,
love
to her.
you until the end of my life. I will not love anymore, girl.
Yes. I don't have a relation to another man. When we were boyfriend and girlfriend, I did not like that he will touch my hand. I did not like kissing. That is what I mean to what I said to you. That when he kissed me in the creek when I am washing the clothes. I
Chase him. With
I ran
saw.
after him. But he ran.
Okay.
The only one. Once
No,
I got
That's
married.
not good. That's not true.
I got married. I will not
Mhm.
really
No.
love anymore.
Yes, maybe he has for girlfriend. Linin. Garbida. Nga dajay aja balasang yan, nagkukulot. Kindajay digya bangkero.
So,
There are 4.
there were 4.
No.
How many?
Like
Only one. I
telling a
love.
lie. No,
She's
telling
only
a
one
lie.
now.
I like to fight him, but what can I do? I have so many children.
Have you ever fought him?
No,
No, you never tried to stab him
no,
with the knife?
I yes. When, I forgot that. I forgot. When I'm only jealous to one lady. That is what a kulkulot. I prepare a knife that is a Batangas knife. But Papang has a
Jeans.
Belt.
pants, pants,
And
Yeah,
pantalon.
jeans, yeah, jeans.
This, that is very hard because when I have a laundry, I put gaw-gaws so that
Starch.
it is shiny. It is hard. And I try to do like that to him, but the knife going like that.
Will fold.
For, oh, you are telling.
I'm babawi.
I feel
Repent.
shocked.
I will rebel.
Repent.
That's only trying. When you do it like that, I hug him.
Here.
Then
And the lady-
stop.
and-
I love you. You are only the one I love.
And the lady, run away! And many people are telling,
Mm.
you know, the chismosa,
Mm.
they are telling to you. So, I tried to see if it is true or not. I stay in one house near Manang Ansay house. And I will prepare them. And then, the lady is inside the house of Manang Ansay. And then Papang went upstairs went upstairs. He went there and upstairs to see the lady. And I ran also and see them. And the lady ran.
That's only the end.
That's the end.
Oh,
Yes.
that's a part of life.
Yeah, part of love. Part of life. Yes.
That's the part of life to him. But to me, if I will do that, no.
Mm.
Never.
You never had friends?
No, I never have a boyfriend. It's only one. I told you that I didn't like that he will hold my hand and kiss me. I don't like.
Until married.
Now, are you okay with him holding your hand?
Yes. I'm fine. We
How
did that. I am happy because we are now. The wedding is already done, and that is the first kiss.
Ceremony.
After the ceremony, because the ceremony was held in the house of
Judge.
judge. And so when he kissed me,
Court. Yeah, wedding.
I know that he loved me. We have prepared if I'm newly natin.
Newly born ka.
What was your favorite thing to do together?
Anya kanot kay paborito yung aramidin yung duwa.
When the night is calm, when we are together, that is our favorite.
Wow.
Ikaw tawa ni Jenny.